So we've been really spoilt here at the moment with a lot of new car launches. As you folks know, we've recently had the new Swift join us, and we've now got the privilege of hosting an IONIQ 5N for a few days here at the beach. So this particular car, it's a performance blue matte with a vision roof, so you can't go much higher in terms of spec. So what I'll do, standard sort of procedure, I'll give a quick walk around, show you some of the bits and pieces. We're not going to go into too much technical detail about the car and what it does, because I'm sure you would have seen a lot of stuff in the press and the media. But you can see here we've got the N-specific wheels and all the N styling cues. The car's an enormous presence in the flesh. You can see the rear diffuser there, all the black badging with both the Hyundai badge and the IONIQ 5 badge just there. I'll show you into the boot. No compromise on boot space, so as you'd expect, same as the standard IONIQ 5 Ultimate and Namsan. Show you underneath there, it's wonderful storage. Still have the split bench in the rear that you can put down. Oh yeah, before I forget, rear wiper. So that is something a lot of people ask for on that 5, and they've put it on here. But again, a stunning car. They've done a really, really good job. So we're going to pop you into point 5. We're going to go inside the cabin, where things are slightly different to the standard 5. So we've got the N-specific seats, we've got the vision roof, which you can get in the Namsan anyway, N-specific mats and the trim in the door. We've got the new AVN unit, so black bezels now, and the new software in the screens, a lot slicker, a lot smoother as well. We've got a slightly different design, central console. We've got our wireless chargers just up here, some storage facility, standard bits in there, the glove box there, all your manuals. As you can see here, we've got the N stitching in the doors, the great massive chunky N steering wheel as well. So a couple of things that you may have seen. We've got the artificial noise to imitate a petrol car. So pop that button there, you can give it a rev. And genuinely, I had a drive in it and I forgot it was an electric car. It really, really replicates the feeling of a combustion vehicle. It's really, really surprising. So really impressed with that. Heads-up display there as well, as I'm sure you can see. Got different drive modes, economy and sport. Got the N custom modes, which isn't new. We had that in the i20N, i30N and Kona M. Different displays here. Within the settings, there's plenty of different settings within the N screen in the infotainment system. You can fiddle about and go crazy with all the different pieces, as you can see there. So really, really cool, and we're really excited to be able to demonstrate this to you. Take this more as an introduction to the IONIQ 5N and an overview. If there's anything in particular you guys would like to see, let us know. We can take some photos, we can do some more videos, not a problem at all, and we'll catch you soon.